An Illinois man has filed a lawsuit against the Woodridge Police Department and several of its officers after they mistakenly detained him while searching for suspects involved in alleged criminal activity. Body camera video shows officers from several squad cars approaching House in his vehicle with their guns drawn.
Hands out the window right now! Put both of your hands out the window! I got command. You, with that outside hand, reach out, open the door. Watch your crossfire. Okay, real slow, left hand, do it from the inside. You come out with a gun, we are going to end you. Do you understand? There you go. There you go. I gotta put the time, park. Put it in park. Put it in park. Real slow. Everything real slow. I'm gonna shoot you in your head if you come up with anything other than that. Alright, real slow. Hold on. Slow down. Slow down. Somebody shut off that tyrant. Left hand, real slow, across your body, under your seatbelt. Bill, I got you. Bill. You look at me and nobody else, you do what I say, you'll be okay. Real slow, come out of that car. You guys got cover?
Got cover. You got it?
Face away from me. Face away from me. Face that car. Walk back to me real slow. Real slow. Real slow. Now move. Hands on your back right now. Any weapon. I just made it hot.
Tom, come up here.
You guys gotta be down on that. We're explaining it in the middle. We're gonna say.
Charlie Nora, 49263. Hey, Tom, this I don't think this is the right car. That's not the right car. This is the wrong car. 794663. Yeah, this is the wrong car.
We're all good.
This is the wrong car.
Of course not.
Yes, it is.
CN.
But the plate don't match.
The last 4 or 5 are wrong.
It's the wrong plate.
Well, we got tucked in about the fucking thing, you know?
Yep.
What you're watching right now is the perspective of Officer Harvey. It's apparent that he needs a lot more training because it seems like his superior is sort of taking control of the situation, and Harvey appears to be pretty unhinged. Take a look.
Window down!
Put the window down! Put the window down! Put the window down! Put the window down! Put the window down! Put both of your hands out the window right now! Put both of your hands out the window!
I got commands.
Go ahead.
You, with an outside hand, reach out, open the door. Watch your crossfire. Okay, real slow, left hand, do it from the inside. You come out with a gun, we are going to end you. Do you understand? There you go. There you go. Come on out. I gotta put the time, park. Put it in park. Put it in park. Real slow. Everything real slow.
I'm gonna shoot you in your head if you come up with anything other than that.
Alright, real slow. Y'all got the line. Slow down. Slow down. Somebody shut off that siren. Left hand, real slow, across your body, undo your seatbelt. I got you. You look at me, nobody else, you do what I say, you'll be okay. Real slow, come out of that car. You guys got cover?
Got cover. I got
Face away from me. Face away from me. Face that car. Walk back to me real slow. Real slow. Real slow. Now move. Hands behind your back right now.
Oh, for what, man? I don't have any weapons. I just came from Costco, dude.
Do not move. Do not move.
61 to 10.
You guys gotta be
Down, my man. We're going to explain everything in a minute, but we're going to do it safe.
You want to put it in my car?
Yes, please.
Have a seat.
Just bring him back to TV, bring him to one of our interview rooms.
I got you.
Matt, can you follow him? Yes, gentlemen. Not a word with him. Don't explain what's going on. Don't ask him no questions. Good?
Got you.
Copy.
All right, yeah.
No, interview room. Put him by my office.
All right. Sam 20. We're out to the PD 1 mil 95, starting mileage 106972.
Take him out. Wrong car. Take him out. Wrong car.
Hop on, man. Place the car.
Here's the deal. Take you out of the handcuffs. We'll get you going. Okay, I'm going to give you some information on who I am. We'll talk about what's going on. Okay, but I want to take care of these handcuffs first. Oswego PD had a shooting. Car plates. The car is the same as yours. Plates match with. Wait, hold on.
No,
Hold on.
No.
Look at me.
No.
Plates match. 2 of them are off. All right. That's why you're placing handcuffs. We thought you were the guy.
No.
All right. You're not. I understand that. All right. Hey, listen. Look at me. I this up.
Okay.
Understand that? I'm gonna give you my card. This is on me.
Absolutely.
Absolutely on me. Let's clear these roads out.
Y'all threatening to shoot me in the head and shit. Don't move. Put your hands up. Like,
You're right.
This is ridiculous.
Okay. Well, listen.
This is ridiculous. I've been out here for 15 years and never have I once in my life. My man, nothing,
But
dude.
you have to look at it.
My man, nothing, dude. That shit.
He's got every right to.
Unacceptable.
You are absolutely
Especially you, Harvey. Especially you, bro.
Okay.
All right.
That is.
What's your name?
My name is Derek House, man. I've been out here. I lived in Woodridge for 10. I've been in Downers Grove for 3, man. I'm a upstanding citizen. My kids go to school here. I'm well respected. That is wrong.
You're right. You're right.
You don't do that. You don't do that.
Anything else you want to say to me or need from me?
No, but sure, that's what my son said.
Fine. You're right.
After they were served with a lawsuit, they decided to make a public statement. Pause to read. If you want to read the lawsuit, I'm going to go ahead and have it linked in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.